Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eva. If you're not new here, thank you so much for returning. I'm so excited for today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these cute cardstock freshies. So people always wonder, like, how do you get the cardstock on there? How do you make the cardstock? So today I'm going to show you. I'm not going to go into full detail on how to actually design them. I'm going to save that for another video. But you'll see more so the process, how to get it cut out, and then how to put it on. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to answer you guys. Also, comment down below any video ideas. I have a list that I'm going through, but if there's anything specific that you'd like to see, or if you want me to teach you guys, go ahead and put that in the comments and I will be sure to put that on my list. So let's just get right into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this 4-inch cookie cutter. I got it from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. These are the designs that I'm going to be using. I'll show you really quickly on how I did one, but I will do a separate video on how to do a full tutorial on how to design these. These are some that I already made. So to show you guys, I'm going to go into canva.com. I'm going to add a new page. So I just Googled some backgrounds. Like here was a beige background. I saved it to my computer, uploaded it here, and then I right clicked and put set image as background. And then here on the left, I have my PNG that I purchased from Etsy. And then I sized it to how I wanted it. And then I downloaded that to my computer and uploaded it into Design Space. So that's how I got this into Design Space to look exactly like this. But if you guys want a more detailed video on how to design circles and how to use Canva, things like that, just comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So I have all of my images saved at 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. That's just what works for me. For the 4-inch circle, you can do whatever you think looks best. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this and get it printed out. I am using cardstock to get this printed. So I'm gonna send to printer. You do wanna print on the best quality. If you don't know how to do that, I do have a separate video showing you exactly how to do that. They're coming out. Look how pretty the colors are looking. Oh my gosh, I love my printer so much. This is an Epson 2760, highly recommend. Look at these colors, you guys, so beautiful. I cannot wait to see these on the Freshies. It's gonna look so nice. So I have my cardstock set up on my mat. I did put some tape just so it doesn't move. Then I'm gonna get this loaded. Supplies here. I have my 4-inch cookie cutters and I have some glitter. I'm not sure what colors I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I get them set up. So I put some white mica powder in my beads. I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed up very well. If you do not know how to make Freshies, I do have another tutorial on how to make Freshies step by step, so check that out. So first I put the glitter down and then I am putting my nail there. Some people do put the cardstock down and bake it. I don't do it like that. I prefer to glue it just so I don't have any mess ups, things like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the process, color my beads, add the glitter. I add the glitter to the top and bottom. That is optional, but I think it looks better. So I was having a little bit of trouble here with this pink glitter. It just came out too fast. I think I put too much glitter, so we'll see how that one comes out. It's okay to make mistakes, you guys. I make mistakes all the time. You just have to learn from them. This teal glitter is so beautiful, you guys. I'm super obsessed. I cannot wait to see how this one comes out. And then again, I'm putting glitter on the top. So I'm just repeating the process. And like I said, you will see what works best for you. You can play around, see how much glitter to put, things like that. Look how pretty these look. And of course, glitter is optional. If you do not want to add glitter, you don't have to. My oven is preheated to 350. It's done. It just beeped. So I'm going to go ahead and bake these for 8 to 10 minutes, and I will show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, so now my Freshies are done baking. I'm going to let them cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll unmold them so you guys can see the front, and then we will hot glue our images down. All right, so I already had a feeling that this one was not going to come out right, so excuse this, you guys. I put way too much glitter, so do not make that mistake. You just need a little bit, a thin layer on the bottom, or else the beads will not bake all the way through. The other ones came out very well, so I am just cutting off the edges. That is also optional, but look how beautiful they look. It's okay if the glitter is not in the center, since you are going to be covering it up with the cardstock, because I guess it just moved around when I poured the beads. I am not selling these are for my family members, so it'll be okay. But look at the glitter. I feel like without the glitter it just doesn't make them pop as much, but glitter is messy, so it is optional, whatever you like. Now to the fun part, which is gluing the cardstock onto the Freshie. I'm going to put a generous amount of hot glue, place the cardstock where I want it, and then I do also flip it over and press down very well, but yet gently, just because the hot glue is still hot, so it can move around a little bit. These are coming out so cute. Cardstock Freshies are one of my favorite to make just because the designs are endless. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help. Now to clean up my mess. That's the thing about glitter Freshies. It does get pretty messy. Glitter does get everywhere, and it is not fun to clean up. But look at the outcome. To me, it's so worth it, because in my personal opinion, without the glitter, they would not pop as much. So let me know what you guys think about these. I think they came out super beautiful. I love the designs. I love the colors. Even though I put too much glitter on the pink one, it actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm happy about that. So that is how I make cardstock Freshies. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I did mess up a little bit on the pink one, so do not make my mistake. I put way too much glitter, so make sure you guys do not do that. Putting too much glitter won't allow the beads to melt down all the way, obviously, but I think it still came out cute. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. If there's any other Freshie videos or Freshie questions that you guys may have, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do a video on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're loving my videos or if they're helpful for you. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.